What's up, ladies? Jumping right in, I'm going to be showing you how to do a widow's peak hairline or plucking 101. Here I'm just showing you the unit. One side is complete and one side is not done at all. As you guys can see, the left side is the plucked side, which has the widow's peak, and then the right side is untouched, unfinished, undone, and I'm going to show you guys the steps I took to achieve that. Now, I did go ahead and part out my little widow's peak section. Basically, you're just taking out like some baby hair that you would use if you would have baby hair right there, but we're not going to use the actual baby hair. We're going to actually pluck that out, but that will be my what kind would I say, my type of demonstration. That's how I'm going to show you guys an example of how you would make your widow's peak hairline. I have seen some ladies cut the lace into a widow's peak. You can do that, or you can just, pluck the hairline into a widow's peak. I prefer just to pluck the hairline into a widow's peak. Once that's separated, I'm going to section off everything and smooth all of the stray hairs back with a wax stick. And I'm going to go in with my Conair hot comb. I have it set on 425. And here you guys see me just hot combing and everything, making it all nice and slick. I did go in and hot comb those little edges that we're not going to use, just because I wanted everything nice and flat. So when I do go in to start plucking, I don't get anything confused or mix the hairline up, because I need it to look symmetrical to my the other side, And yeah. So once I get everything all defined and pushed back and nice looking, I'm going to go in with my tweezers. I am going to show you guys the supplies you're going to need. All you need is 2 pair of tweezers and a rat tail comb. First pair are some Tweezerman tweezers, and these have a slant point, as you guys can see. And I got these from my local CVS for about 20 bucks. And then the next one is another Tweezerman brand tweezer, and these are just a pointed tip, more used for like ingrowns. First, I'm going to take the slanted tip tweezers, and I am going to go in and start plucking sections. Now, as you guys can see, I only plucked like 3 times and I already pulled the hair out. The goal is you want some sharp tweezers, something you ain't gotta keep dealing with, because it's gonna pluck the hair out. Now, I just did the first section and the second section, so you guys see the rhythm. I'm skipping like half an inch and then doing another section. I'm gonna go ahead and do section 3, and then I'm gonna show you guys my pattern. You guys should be able to notice the pattern that I'm trying to do. First section, second section, third section. Now we're just going to complete the same steps all the way down on the hairline. You want to pluck a section, skip, pluck another section, skip, pluck another section, skip, and I'm only plucking like 1, 2, 3, skip, 1, 2, 3, skip, 1, 2, 3, skip. And then eventually you'll start seeing the pattern that I am developing on the front of the hairline. It's going to look like, I guess you could say a zigzag or just patchy. Like, it's going to look like, you'll see the pattern. I'm trying my best to describe it to you guys without messing myself up or sounding crazy. But I'm plucking, and then I skip, and then I pluck, and then I skip. And then it just gives you this irregular, ununiform looking hairline. It looks uneven, which most people's hairline is. It's not super full, all straight, same length, nothing like that. So once I'm done, this is what it looks like. You see the pattern that I'm making? It kind of looks like teeth marks or whatever. Now I'm going to take my Tweezerman tweezers with the pointed tip, and everywhere that I didn't pluck, I'm going to go in and pluck those sections just barely. You only want to pluck enough just to thin it out and to just throw off the pattern that you just made, because you don't want that to look so patterny, like, oh my god, I can tell there's hair missing right there, or it looks like there's supposed to be hair missing from there, and that's not what you want. You want it to look as realistic as possible. So as you guys can see, I'm just going in and thinning out the sections that I didn't tweeze at all with my pointed tip tweezers. Now, I'm not doing a whole bunch of plucking. Like I said, as long as your tweezers are sharp, you won't have to do a whole bunch. It should be quick and easy. This took me, I would say, maybe about 10-15 minutes, and this is what it's looking like. Now I'm going to go in with my slant tweezers, and we're going to pluck out all of this excess hair. Now, you can rip this hair out, you can nair the hair out, and you can tweeze it. I suggest tweezing or nairing. Ripping out the hair could be a make or break method. You could potentially rip a hole in your lace doing that, and you do not want to do that at all. So I just try to thin it out as much as possible with my tweezers, and then once it starts looking very, very stringy and, you know, alopecia-ish, that's when I'll pull them out, because it's thin enough to where I know it's not going to pluck the lace. And this is what the hairline is looking like once we have completed both sides. I love, love, love a widowed peak hairline, and I just had to show you guys a demonstration on how we got this look with this bust down part. Okay, now once that's done, we're gonna jump right into the wig review. Of course, this is Junoda, or I hope I'm saying that right, Junoda hair. This is the box. They sent me, of course, my hair information, my wig, and then a cute little silk bag. I also got some little goodies. They sent me a silk pink drawstring bag or mesh drawstring bag, this cute little Junoda hair clip, a wig cap, of course, a Junoda silk head scarf, and an edge control brush, of course. Oh, don't forget this little brochure, sorry y'all, with their tips and tricks and ways to take care of the hair, don't take care of the hair, and then some cute little mink lashes, and of course my edge control brush. This is the wig. This is their red brown 13x4 frontal body wave wig in 26 inches and 180 density. Here I'm just showing you guys the hairline and the wig. Of course, this is a body wave texture, and now I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 235, and I'm not doing a ball cap method. My hair is kind of growing out a little bit, so it's looking salt and peppery ish. So I'm just going in and putting this color on top because I don't feel like doing a ball cap. I was being really, really lazy. And yeah, now that we got the lace on, this is exactly what it's looking like. I'm going to go ahead and cut my lace into sections. I start in the middle, and then I put another slit around my temple area, and then did the same thing on the other side. Now, I am going to adhere this down section by section. I'm going to go in with my Ebon Wonder lace spray, and I'm just gently dabbing that into the lace like so. Now I'm going to do the other section, or the last section of the frontal, and we're going to adhere that down the same way we did in the middle. I'm going to repeat the same steps until we get all the way down to the bottom last section, as you guys can see. And we are going to spray some adhesive spray, same as we did the 2 times before, and go in with my blow dryer, make sure everything's nice and tacky, and then just gently place the lace down like so. I am going to repeat these same steps on the other side, and then once that's done, we are going to get ready to wrap this lace up and start styling. Somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you hold me down forever, but you lied to me. You got me pencil in the head. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you really don't play. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like there was nothing? How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna think it's all that hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say like there was not the same? How you gonna I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you really don't play.
was nothing. Yeah, how you gonna grow it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna grow it away and say I know that it was not the same? Yeah, how you gonna grow it away? Grow it away, grow it away. Acting like the same and nothing to you is your son. Frontin' like you know, it got me going.
Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 235, and I'm just going to go in and define my parts. You want to make it look as realistic as possible, and since I did not do a ball cap method, this was a definitely need to be done. I'm just going in and, like I said, defining my part, making it look all nice and neat and light scalp. Since I did a no ball cap method, this was not an option. You feel me? Sometimes you don't have to do this, but when you don't have a ball cap, it's mandatory. Now I'm just going to wrap my lace up with an not adjustable elastic band, but an elastic band. And while that's wrapped up, we're going to start styling. I am going to go in with my Conair hot comb, and I have it set on either 325 or 425, either one of them. And I'm just slicking up my two parts that I already had sectioned off. And I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm going to tie these two sections down, and I'm going to have two little pigtails at the top that we are going to make into some messy buns and do a nice little loose curl style. Y'all, I was obsessed with this look. I've been seeing all the girlies do this hairstyle on TikTok and Instagram, and they've been eating it up. So I said, I gotta try it. And y'all know I had to do a no baby hair look because I've been trying to stick to my no baby hairs, and it's been successful lately. Taking another hair tie, and I'm just going to tie up my last little bun. Make sure they're even and in the same spot. I hate when my buns are, one's bigger than the other or one's higher than the other. They need to look like sisters, twin sisters, okay? This is what we looking like. Now I'm just going to take my comb and back comb the ponytail. You can do this or you don't have to do this. Since I was going for a messy bun look, it was mandatory that you back comb the hair. You don't have to do it too much to where you mat the hair up and tangle it and can't use it no more. But once that is done, I'm going to do the other side just like so, back combing, and then we are just going to mold it into this little bun until it's nice and cute looking. Make sure they're twins, and then we're going to jump right into these curls, okay? For my curls, I'm going to be using my Tai Chi 1/2 inch wand curler, and I did speed this up just for the sake of the video. I didn't have no real method. I wanted messy curls to match the messy bun, so I'm just grabbing random sections, literally curling towards and away from my face. And I even go through and just start, like I said, picking random sections. Because the hair was body wave and already had a natural wave to it, I played off of that so I can work smarter and not harder, you feel me? And just curl in random sections and make it look cute and messy, real random looking. Once that's done, I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side. Sped it up just for the purpose of the video, like I said, but you get the gist. You see the idea. You already see how it's coming. I'm going to do the same steps on the other side. Start at the bottom, work my way up to the top, just picking random pieces of hair, curling towards and away from my face until I get the desired look that I'm going for. And then once that is done, we will be finished with the finished look.
When I find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you hold me down forever, but you lied to me. You got a pencil in the head. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average. Think you really don't play. How you gonna grow it away? How you gonna sit and act like there was nothing? How you gonna grow it away?
Popping off this bands and giving you guys nothing but scalp because there ain't no lace. You feel me? It ain't none. This is all me. No, I'm just kidding. But Here I'm just doing the little final touches. I pulled out some little strings or some little hairs out of the buns in the front just to give the look more of a oomph look to me, and it definitely did the job. I'm so in love with this hairstyle. Okay, I think this is gonna be one for the books right here. Ate it up and left no crumbs, you feel me? But once I finish this little curl right here, that will basically be the completed look, y'all. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Here's the 360 of the wig. This is the back. I really wanted messy, loosey curls, nothing looking too uniform or too planned. I just wanted to look very messy and cute, and I think this definitely gave. You can see the natural body wave texture and some of the curls that I put in there. Love the way this is looking. Super full. I didn't have any tracks showing or any thin edges, thin ends. The hair was definitely giving, not shedding, no tangling, no nothing. Okay, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Y'all gotta let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. This is a company that I've never worked with before, so Junanda, I hope I'm saying that right. I'm going to give you guys definitely a 10 out of 10. This lace is amazing. No baby hairs, and I am giving scalp, very much scalp. This is all me, all my hair. Okay, did this on my own, grew this on my own, you feel me? Nah, but for real, let me stop playing. If you guys like this look, please let me know what you guys think. I told you guys that I was coming to y'all back to back with these fall colors. Okay, I'm hitting y'all back to back with the fall colors. Okay, we're gonna get right for this fall, winter, period. I don't care what nobody else say. Auburn, ginger, burgundy, any type of fall warm looking hair is gonna be in. Okay, I'm feeling it. But if you guys like this, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. I will have all the links listed in the description bar for any information. If you guys have any questions, concerns, want to see any certain looks, please leave them below in the comment section for me, y'all. Like I said, I'm looking out to try to find more content to post, like this widow's peak tutorial. I've seen this on TikTok and on YouTube and on Instagram, and I figured why not. I love me a widow's peak hairline, so why not make one for you guys? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.